Hello everyone, I wanted to make a video to show you guys some tips and some information on making these new equipment sets. I have chosen to make a ×2 multiplier of the full Archangel set, and the reason I chose the ×2 multiplier is because I did not want to sacrifice the extra materials required for the ×5. I'm going to take the assumption that the random attributes are beneficial, but not to the extent that some of the photos that have been going around. I don't believe you can get ×4 archer attack at 40%. I think that's not right. So I'm going to do the ×2, and I'll show you some ins and outs here, what I've learned. So we'll go ahead and select the ×2 multiplier. You do not need 100% on these. You need 71% in order to use your obsidian. So I'm just going to go ahead and downgrade to orange materials. If you notice, the quantity changed on my orange. Because I have obsidian, I want to use and I want to save my gold materials. I need to adjust the quantity of that weapon, and it won't allow me. As you can see right now, I almost have gold. That means 75%, that's pretty good. If it doesn't let me do it here, I'm going to back out. Go back to 2x here, see if it lets me. It's not letting me adjust the quantity. It is being difficult here. So I'm going to reselect oranges. Click on the quantity. I don't need to buy the materials. I have them. Just let me correct the quantity. Okay, well, obviously it's going to let me adjust the quantity over here. Earlier I could adjust the blueprints also, but it's not allowing me to at the moment. There we go. Here we go. 141 is 71%. So as you can see now, I was 75% gold when I had adjusted only the Archangel wings. So now I need to add an obsidian in there. We'll try an 8. Very close. I'm just going to go ahead and go to my 9 since I have so many. Might as well get that 100%. Alright, going to take I don't know. There we go. I reduced the time. Congratulations. I don't know. I don't understand that. Alright, I will speed this up. I got some speed ups. Let's take a look at what we got here. Boom. Not bad, not bad. We'll go ahead and share these in my alliance. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Let's go to the next one. Try to speed through the rest of these since I took so long adjusting the quantities on the weapon. ×2 multiplier, adjust quantity, 141. I may run out of materials here before I get through all these sets. That's a lot of horns. What is going on? If any of the other materials take that many, I may have to make a part 2. Okay, so we'll try the level 9 again, see if that level 9 obsidian gets me to 100%. It does. Woohoo. I don't understand this stuff, the random drawing, but building speed, yeah. Alright. Number 3. Hopefully I don't make 2 of these by accident. 2x multiplier. Let's go 141. That's our 71% required to be able to use Obsidian to adjust. The quality of the equipment that we're going to forge. Change those to 20. This is a lot less materials for this piece of armor. That's good. Change those to orange. Save my golds. Throw in a chest. Need a 50% boost. That level 9 going to get me there. Let's forge that bad boy. Only got 1 buff on that one. All enemy units defense minus 4.2. That's pretty good though. I like it. Alright, that was 3. Here we go. Hopefully be nice to get 3 good attributes on one of these pieces. Oh man, I'm out of horns. What the heck is going on over here? Alright, I may have to make a 2-part video. That is a tremendous amount of horns. That is crap. I didn't realize they was going to do that to me here. We'll try 2x here. Looks like I got the horns to go ahead and make the feet. And change those down to orange quality. I wish I could break my materials down from gold to orange. It would help a lot. There we go, got it to switch. Throw in the feet. Let's go with the level 9, I think that's what it's going to take. Everything looks good. Hit the forge button. Oh, nope. Not very good luck there. Did it forge or not? Invalid operation. You gotta be killing me. You're killing me here. Killing me here. I'm trying to make a video, promote the game, help people out. And you're not letting me forge armor here. So let me okay, it's already making it. So bugs. So many bugs. Alright. What do we get? Oh, not bad. Alright, feet's done. What do we got left? 2 pieces. Trying to hurry. Let's get this ring. This is a nice ring, by the way. The ring and feet, if you're going to start and only make a couple, I suggest you make those 2 first. Those are the best ones. And they provide good stats. More of those dang horns, man. Okay, must be using a couple of gold ones also. Alright, looks like I'm going to have everything but the, what was it, like the pants. Reduce forging time by 0%. Could not be any unluckier than that. Alright. Oh, this is going to take a bit. Alright, well, I will have to figure out how to come up with all them horns to make them legs. I may make a separate video for that later to show you what my final piece was. But there is my 5 of 6. Siege damage when attacking castles. It's not bad. Alright, well, I hope that was informational and I hope that helped you. Hope that allowed you guys to see some of the some of the benefits you get from the equipment. There was my weapon that I made. Come down here. There was the helmet. There was the chest. Legs, I need to get more horns. My feet. And lastly, this nice ring. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed that. Peace out.